In this demo, we're going to take a look at how Spartan Tech can use Nucleus One for its property closings or real estate needs. For the presentation, we're going to focus heavily on projects because they give you the ability to set deadlines on items and work with people outside your organization. If I click Property Closings, it's going to go straight to my Property Closings project and open up my tasks, where you can see we've already been working with Mary Smith and created a couple tasks for her to confirm outstanding mortgage information and to upload a copy of her survey. If I open this task, you can see I gave it a name, assigned it to Mary, and gave it a due date. I also started a conversation with her asking her about the survey. And when I send these messages to her, she gets them in real time and she can respond in real time as well. So we get that information and we can go back and forth about any questions she may have about this task, but also documents that are inside the system. I'm going to close this task for now, and we're going to take a closer look at one of the other tasks that we have created. This one's for confirming outstanding mortgage information, and one of the great things that you can do within a task is embed one of our fillable forms so that Mary has easy access to fill this form out when she receives this task. Receive email notifications as your buyers and sellers complete the tasks and upload new documents. In this case, Mary has submitted her driver's license as requested in the task, and it started an approval process. I can review the basic information here right in the email notification and even approve or decline right from the email. If I want to navigate to Nucleus One, I can go to my approval section, see her driver's license here or view it full screen, and go ahead and approve or decline it from here. So I'm going to go ahead and approve. And after I've approved it, if I wanted to view the documents, I can go to Documents, and I've created a folder structure for finding these files based on the address and the buyer and the seller. So I'll go to the seller since that's Mary, and I can see the driver's license and the outstanding mortgage information form that was submitted earlier. Let's take a quick look and see what Mary or the seller would see within the system. So if there was a new task or item they needed to attend to, they would receive an email notification like you see here. They could click View Task or navigate to Nucleus One. Now when Mary logs in, her home screen is going to look a lot different. She can click My Work, and it'll take her in to where any notifications are that she might have. She can also click on tasks where it says upload copy of driver's license. And so for her to do so, she'll have access to that folder that you've shared. And if you notice, none of the other property folders are there, so it's secure. She won't be interacting with other people's files. And she can simply drag and drop the file right into the folder. Now, once that file has been uploaded, I'll just refresh here so you can see it inside the screen. And now Mary can go over, click on her tasks, and she can click on Upload Copy of Driver's License and mark it as complete. So that's been the demo on real estate. Please check out our other videos to see how Nucleus One can help your business with something similar to what you saw here, or the many other things that you can do with this product.